So have a look at this tree behind me. This is quite impressive. It's come down quite recently. And so here's the main trunk, which as you can see ends in a splinter. You can see it better on the other side. And look at this huge stretch of trunk that's come down and cleared this area in the forest. It's very impressive. And imagine, as my colleague said, the noise it would have made as it came down. Here's the main trunk still standing. But around the side here you can see the splinter that it's come off from. And then all the way down here it's lying. Massive. So here behind me is the root system of a large tree that's come down sometime in the past. And the path goes right by it. So this thing would reach about 12 feet into the air. You can see here's the cavity it's left. And it doesn't have, as I gather is not uncommon with big trees, it doesn't have a taproot per se. And you can see here, look at this massive roots and soil all matted up together. It was all that was holding this enormous thing in place. And you can see a little bit of the size of it here.